Good morning, YouTube family. It's your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. I got a simple craving today just for a regular old American-made hot dog. This weekend, my in-laws, well, about a week ago, my in-laws moved to town. When I say in-laws, my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. And they moved in with my other sister-in-law until they found a home here. So just as a courtesy, I took one of my #2 Big Easy over to their house and we cooked chicken wings. And it's starting to rain and I think it's still out in the yard. So I'm going to get my Big Easy. We're going to put it in the Jeep. We're going to go back home to Westlake. I'm going to stop by the Dollar Tree, take a bag full of coins, and pick up the things we need. Just a pack of hot dogs, some hot dog buns, maybe some pickle relish and a couple other things, whatever I see. And we're gonna go back and we're gonna cook just some simple hot dogs. We're gonna toast the buns and do everything we need to do with the Big Easy. So I'm headed over. I got about another 2 miles to go to get to my sister-in-law's house. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, sir. I am great. All right, fam, we're at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go into my change purse. I don't like taking the whole thing in there. Makes me look a little feminine. So I'm going to stick some change in my pocket, maybe $3 or $4 worth. And let's see what happens.
Oh, nickel? Okay. Thank you. You have a good one.
All right, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Okay. Let's see. Welcome, Dollar Tree. Okay, and alright, that will be $3.17.
All righty. $3.17 coming up.
$3. Let's see, $3.17. Let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
All right.
It is going to ask you if you would like a receipt as well.
All right, and that would be a no.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, have a good one, man.
You too, thank you.
Able to go into the Dollar Tree. I spent $3, a buck on some hot dogs, and those were the bun length hot dogs. I spent a buck on the hot dog buns and a buck on some pickle relish, and I got ketchup and mayo and everything else I needed home. I think I even got sauerkraut if I choose to put sauerkraut on one. All right, fam, we got our Dollar Tree bun length hot dogs. We're just gonna throw a couple right there on the grill. And this is not about quality or anything. This video is simply about just having what you want on that particular day. It's just one of those days I just wanted a regular old American USA red, white, and blue hot dog. So I'm gonna throw these on there, and I'm only gonna eat probably 2 or 3 throughout the day. But since I got a whole pack of dollar hot dogs, you might as well use them. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna just simply put these hot dogs here. About every 2-3 minutes we'll come out, we'll roll them, and then leaving this space open right here, we'll take 2 hot dog buns, we'll put a little butter on it, or I can't believe it's butter, some type of spray butter or margarine on them. We'll toast those, we'll take it inside, put our condiments on, our ketchup, onions. I got some green onions, I got pickle relish, and we're just gonna simply have us a simple old red, white, and blue hot dog. All right, fam, so we're gonna give this a couple of minutes. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a real simple video. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things that I've done to the Jeep, and boy, we got some good footage coming up soon with the Jeep. Me and Tanya went camping 3 weeks ago, and I've totally changed the kitchen since the last time y'all seen it. But y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, fam, we're gonna slather these buns with a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter. We're gonna put those like so. We might as well roll these again while we're at it. Ooh, that's hot. Slather another bun with a little, I can't believe it's not butter. Now, fam, this video ain't about nothing but $3 at the Dollar Tree, and maybe 5 minutes on the Big Easy has made me happy. And today was just one of those days I want to do something simple. I want to share it with y'all and just show you how just a few dollars and just a little bit of time and effort can change your whole day. I was having a good day, but this is going to make it even better. So we're going to let these buns stay on there for a minute or two, toast them, take this whole thing inside, put our toppings on, and it's lunchtime. And I'm happy for $3 and a visit to the Dollar Tree. All right, fam, there's the lineup, the key to happiness. Couple of toasted buns, hot dogs, little jalapeno habanero cheese, sweet relish, hot mustard, and that's the hot stuff, the Chinese style. Green onions, I can't believe it's butter, and there you have it. I spent $3, a couple of things I already had at the house, and I'm about to have the time of my life. Just enjoying myself, sitting in the back room, eating a couple of good old American hot dogs. That's all it takes. All right, fam. Don't forget to tune in Wednesday. Got a little short video for y'all. Me and Mama went camping, and in the upcoming weeks, I got some doozies coming. What I've done to the Jeep, and if you didn't tune in for the Jeep, if you subscribe to the channel for the Hot Logic, for the Big Easy, for the George Foreman, you're still going to enjoy what we're about to do, and we haven't abandoned those as well. So, family, if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Big Daddy's about to go enjoy one of these hot dogs. Woo-hoo! Good old US of A, red, white, and blue hot dogs. And it ain't even the 4th of July. Peace.